So I'm here in Calcutta, and for me, the first place that I go is always the markets. And today we saw some great seafood, and also we're gonna do a special Bengali crab dish. So first of all, I need some mustard oil. Again, mustard oil is key to Bengali dishes. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of mustard seed in there. So pop that in. Then I'm going to add in bay leaf here, because we're gonna add in some onions. We're gonna caramelize the onions. Caramelized onions give sweetness to the curry. Stir fry that out, get that nice and sweated and the aroma's coming out. So now I'm gonna add some ginger and garlic paste, pop that in there. About a tablespoon, plenty. I'm gonna add in a little bit of chili there as well. Then we're gonna add in our spices. So first of all, a little bit of turmeric. There we go. A little bit of chili powder, a little bit of hot chili powder, a little bit of coriander seed, and a bit of cumin seed. Put a little bit more coriander because it's seafood, and there's always a little bit more cumin if it's meat. There we go, look at those flavors coming out. The color of it starting to come together. And I'm gonna add in some tomato. I'm gonna leave a little bit for the garnish at the end. Then I'm gonna add in my crab. Pop that in. Just emulsify that crab into the curries, and then we're going to add a little bit of water, and we want to basically half cover the crab. If you had a lid, we could put that on and that will just steam it through, but we've already blanched the crab already. We just mix that through. You can see all those colors. There we go, that looks like it's coming together nicely. I'm going to do a pinch of sugar in there, and I'm going to do a pinch of salt. And we're gonna leave that to simmer for about 5 minutes. And so now the crab's cooked for about 5 minutes. It's bubbled up. I can smell all that coriander and turmeric in there, and the aromats and the mustard. So the secret ingredient to this dish is actually the fresh mustard seed. It's been blended with a little bit of green chili. So I'm just gonna pop in about 2 tablespoons of that in there, and that's going to give a certain creaminess to the curry, and then also it's going to add a certain sort of little bit of a bitterness to it, as well as a nice sort of creamy flavor in there as well. So you've got a bit of creamy, a little bit of bitter in there, and it's all combined together. So let's add a little bit of a taster. Not bad. Finish it off with a little bit of fresh chili and coriander and tomato in there. In tradition of Bengali food all over India, if you have money, then everyone loves to put in a little bit of ghee because it shows that you have a little bit of wealth behind you. So I'm going to put a touch of ghee in because I'm staying at the Calcutta Bungalows, and it's a very, very nice place. There we go. Pop that in. Toss that through. I like to leave some tomatoes in the whole just to put a bit of sourness into the curry as well, because if you cook them all out from the beginning, yes, that goes into the sauce, but I do like a little bit of texture and sourness at the end. Look at that, eh? You wouldn't say no to this. So here we have our Bengali crab curry.